Welcome to our tutorial on how to let everyone see posts that you're tagged in on your Facebook profile PC. If you want to make your tagged posts visible to everyone, follow these simple steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your web browser and navigating to facebook.com. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. This will take you to your profile. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Select Settings from the options provided. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Look for Profile and Tagging and click on it. Step 7. Next to Who can see posts that you're tagged in on your profile, click on the drop-down menu to open it. Step 8. Select Everyone from the options provided. Step 9. Finally, click on Done to save the changes. By following these steps, you can ensure that everyone can see the posts you're tagged in on your Facebook profile PC. Enjoy a more open and connected social media experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on using Facebook. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.